Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप लोग? It's been really long. We are putting out a reel on Instagram, especially myself coming in as a founder. But recently there has been a lot of development in terms of what we have been building at Neuralens by Gabify. But interestingly, I want to share a story with you, and this that actually motivated us a lot. That what we are trying to build is actually a problem solving for many families in India. Recently, at a therapy center, हम लोग न्यूरोलेंस की टेस्टिंग कर रहे थे, and there was a parent who came in, a mother of a child. She was worried, she was stressed and tensed. But later on, we realized that stress was because of unclarity. उनको क्लैरिटी नहीं थी, बट उनको पता था कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ इशू है. बट डॉक्टर्स ने उनको रिकमेंड किया वेट फॉर सर्टेन ईयर्स टू कम बैक एंड देन वो लोग असेसमेंट करेंगे. सिमिलरली फॉर थेरेपिस्ट ऑल्सो इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट इतनी अर्ली एज में. शी वॉज जस्ट 1 year old चाइल्ड. असेसमेंट करना विद इन द 12 months. बट लकीली न्यूरोलेंस की टेस्टिंग चल रही थी. वी थॉट वी इंटरवीन एंड थॉट कि हम लोग कुछ टेस्ट करते हैं एट न्यूरोलेंस. वी डिड अ स्क्रीनिंग एंड वी वोंट बिलीव हमें उस स्क्रीनिंग से कितनी क्लैरिटी मिली फॉर द चाइल्ड. पेरेंट्स को क्लैरिटी मिली, एंड विद क्लैरिटी इट कम्स होप, and that's where I think we are at a very right track, and soon we'll be coming at your nearby therapy centers. But in case you feel you want Gabify or Neuralens to be deployed at your nearby therapy centers, so feel free to contact us here, and we will be reaching out to you for having a further discussion with your therapy centers, so that Neuralens can be deployed and assessments can become more faster, more with more clarity, and also giving you the insights which a human might miss out during the assessment. So stay tuned, and wish us all the very best, because soon we are going to be live at your nearby centers. So yeah, thank you everyone.